Hello, this is Mark Ollinghouse with My Service Builder. In this, guess I should have turned the volume off on my phone first. Hello, this is Mark Ollinghouse with My Service Builder. In this segment, I want to talk to you a little bit about our dashboard and what the purpose is behind this. Now, for most of you, it's just going to be a self look at what you've been doing. Single user accounts, it's going to show you how many of each type of agreement you have, the status of them, open, lost, sold, and then it'll show you your activity for the current plus previous 3 months. It'll show open, sold, and lost. Up here it shows the 7 most current jobs that you've been working on. So if you've been working on a job and you got the job information in there, you got this part filled out, but you haven't had a chance to go back to the equipment yet, you have to go on an appointment, you come back, it's going to be the top one in here. You don't have to click on jobs to look for it. You don't have to search. Whatever the most 7 recent jobs you've been working on, they'll be right here. In this corner, we're trying to give you a snapshot of what the manpower requirements are for the amount of maintenance agreements that you've sold. What are they worth from a manpower standpoint? So the planned and the unplanned, those come directly from the estimate itself. This extras is based on a statistical average of what preventive maintenance and test and inspect agreements generate in extra work. So basically this is set up as a 2-to-1 ratio. So you get $2 in extra labor hours for every 1 in preventive maintenance. So your total in this scenario, we got 1 sold job. This one right here, Joe's Bar, $2,824 is probably going to generate about 80 hours worth of work a year. So this becomes even more important for multi-user accounts. So if you have a sales manager and 4 or 5 users, this will start to show which user has the most current jobs, and this shows the activity of the whole group together. Again, the whole group over here. And then over in reports, you can look at the activity for individuals within your group. You can look at it as a whole, all of them, or one at a time. So just a way to give you a little insight into what's going on in your account. Thanks for watching.